the Saka Show. Today we'll be doing what the title of this tutorial project says, Ask Block. So the Ask Block is right here in the sensing category with this little pre-built variable of the answer. Above it is the Ask Block. So if you click it, it does this. It will give you this question with like a text, so you can actually type in the game or project. And it can store this in this answer variable right here. So we're going to teach you the basics of this. So I could say, ask what is your name. So when green flag clicked, ask what is your name. And then we wanted to say, in the looks category, there's a say block right here. So you could, and if you want to add two things together and say the value of a certain variable, then you can use the join block with the join right here in the operators. You add answer, and I could say cool. So say what's your name, and I'll say maybe the Saka Show, and then I'll just enter and I'll say the Saka Show. Cool. But if you don't want that awful unspacing, you can just add a space in it, and Scratch will take record. So I'll say the Saka Show again, and I'll say the Saka Show. Cool. And then all the words will be spaced out. So using this thing, you could do things like think. You could do the think block. And chuck this in, and I'll do because I don't want to type Saka Show, and I'll think that. So you can use this code in various different ways. You can even use the same thing for variables, like, so it'll say 0, cool, because the variable is set to 0. I think we're getting a little bit overway, and we are not using the answer variable, so this will be cool, which is the most strange thing I've ever said. I don't think that's actually how you pronounce it. So you could, but the value will always change once the answer values change. So say I change it to 78 or whatever, then it'll record this, and then it'll set it, and then it'll do 78 cool, not cool. I don't know how you pronounce it again. So with this, so now we have a code that can set an infinite amount of answers to said that. So that's the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Anyways, just get us to like 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I know that might be ambitious, but anyways, see ya.